Hi, so Shri Akalji, welcome back. And for those who are new here, hi, I'm Purnima and welcome to my channel where we talk about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys a couple of items that I've purchased from Flipkart. So this is gonna be haul video and I'm gonna include some jewelry items and some makeup items. I hope you guys enjoy watching this one. And now let's just jump straight into the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe to it and also hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any future videos of mine. Also do follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is Purnima. I wanted to share with you guys is a fantastic concealer from Swiss Beauty. You guys, this is an absolutely must-have product according to my opinion, and it is so economical. It blends like a dream. The coverage is so damn good, guys. And also I'm gonna provide you all the links down in the description box below, so do check that out for the prices and all. And this is 5.6 grams of product, which is quite okay, I feel, and it is absolutely must have, guys. Just go for it with your eyes closed and you will thank me later, trust me. Moving on, I wanted to share with you guys, every one of us need blotting paper, guys. Do not use tissue papers for that purpose. This is facial oil blotting sheet and this is such a fantastic product. This is just for 165 rupees. There is no discount going on this one, but this is absolutely must have, guys, you know, especially for oily skin people. If you're going out for some like good amount of 4 to 6 hours, you definitely need this product, guys. Just go for it. Share with you guys is a beautiful product. It's a bronzer from Sugar, you guys. If you guys are looking for some product that is reasonable and a good one as well, so you can go for this mini version of Sugar. This is just for 400 rupees. This is in shade number 02 Woody Bronzer. So if you guys are of my skin tone, then you can go for this shade, and people who are of medium to deeper skin tones, they can go for shade number 01, because this will not show up on your skin, guys. So this shade is only for fair skin tone people, and this has got that powder finish. It is a beautiful formula. It is so very pigmented and I am just in love with this one. This is quite economical because this is in mini size, and also this is a beautiful product. Fantastic. Moving on, I have bought some jewelry items. One is a beautiful evil eye necklace. I really wanted to buy this one from a long time, guys. So this comes in a beautiful packaging like so, and this is all tangled up now, but this is so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. And I believe, you know, this evil eye jewelry is quite a trend right now, so I really wanted to buy this one. And it is absolutely stunning, but you have to preserve this really well, guys. Just keep it in box, and then it will last longer. Otherwise, you know, it turns black very soon. So this is beautiful. This is for 300 rupees, I guess, and there is some, yeah, after discount this is for 300 rupees. And I'll share a picture of mine wearing this one, because this is all entangled and you will not be having a fair idea like how it looks. Next, I have purchased these earrings, guys. This is from brand Rubens, and this is beautiful oxidized jewelry. This is like, in fact, I have not taken it out as well. So I'll just remove this. I want you to buy this gold and silver thing, you know, because it will go with dresses that has golden work and that has silver work as well. So this is great. All in all, it has got some mirror work here, and this is for 549, I guess, and I got it just for 300 rupees in discount, guys. So do check this one out. And this is not very heavy, this is very light, and it's not very big, not very small, so it's just the perfect medium size, guys. You can definitely go for. That was it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys found it helpful and you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you guys so very much. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Mwah!